Is our universe unique? Is there only one Earth? And what exactly is quantum jumping? This concept comes from quantum physics. According to quantum physics, there is no solid concept of space and time. What we really perceiving through our five senses is a filtered reality and not the true or ultimate reality. From science fiction to science facts, there is a concept that suggests there could be other universes beside our own, where all the choices you made in this life played out in alternate realities. One of the most exciting and enticing topics to speculate about is the idea of our reality, our universe, the way it is, and the way we experience it. Might not be the only version of the events out there. Perhaps there are other universes, perhaps even with different versions of ourselves, different histories and alternate outcomes than our own. The concept is known as parallel universe and is a facet of astronomical theory of the multiverse. The idea is pervasive in comic books and movies. One big question with this theory is, are we the only universe out there? With our current technology, we are limited to observations within this universe because the universe is curved and we are inside the fishbowl, unable to see the outside of it. Famously, physicist Stephen Hawking's last paper before his death also dealt with multiverse. The paper was published in May 2018, just a few months after Hawking's demise. About the theory, he told Cambridge University in an interview published in the Washington Post, "We are not down to a single unique universe, but our findings imply a significant reduction of multiverse to a much smaller range of possible universes. Here are 5 theories why our multiverse is possible." Number 1. Infinite universes. We don't know what shape of space and time is exactly. One prominent theory is that it is flat and goes on forever. This would present the possibility of many universes being out there. But with that topic in mind, it is possible that universe can start repeating themselves. That's because particles can only be put together in so many ways. Number 2. Bubble universes. Another theory for multiple universes comes from eternal inflation. Based on research from Tufts University, when looking at time and space as a whole, some areas of space stop inflating, like the Big Bang inflated our own universe. Others, however, will keep getting larger. So if we picture our own universe as a bubble, it is sitting in a network of bubble universes out space. What's interesting about this theory is other universes could have very different law of physics than our own, since they are not linked. Number 3. Daughter universe, or perhaps multiple universes, can follow the theory of quantum mechanics as a part of daughter universe theory. If we follow the law of probability, it suggests that for every outcome that could come from one of your decisions, there would be a range of universes, each of which saw one outcome come to be. For instance, in one universe, you took that job to China. In another, perhaps you were on your way and your plane landed somewhere different and you decided to stay. Number 4. Mathematical universes. Another possible avenue in exploring mathematical universes, which simply put, the structure of mathematics may change depending in which universe you reside. Theory proposer Max Tegmark of Massachusetts Institute of Technology, as quoted in 2021 article, said, "A mathematical structure is something that you can describe in a way that is completely independent of human baggage." He further added, "I really believe that there is this universe out there that can exist independently of me, that could come and continue to exist even if there is no human." Number 5. Parallel universes. Last but not least, an idea of parallel universes. This theory suggests that an infinite number of cosmic patches, the particle arrangements within them, must repeat infinitely many times over. This means there are infinitely many parallel universes, cosmic patches exactly as same as ours. which contains someone exactly like you, as well as patches that differ by just one particle position, patches that differ by two particles position, and so on down to the patches that are totally different from ours. Not everyone agrees with parallel universe theory, and quantum jumping may sound like a difficult concept. Quantum jumping is the process by which a person visualizes a desired result or state of being that is different from what is current, and then by supplying enough mental and emotional energy and clearly tuning into that possibility, they make a leap into that hidden dimension or alternate reality. Let's first discuss the Mandela effect for a better understanding of parallel universe and multidimensional awareness. If you know anything about Mandela effect, which refers to a large number of people sharing specific memory that doesn't match current reality and is often attributed to the existence of parallel universe, it seems relevant to mention a few examples. Obviously, the first example is Nelson Mandela, who this theory is named after. Countless people remember him dying in prison in 1980s, but he was actually released from prison and later died in 2013. This contradicts many people believe to be true. Another example, a large number of people remember Billy Graham's funeral airing on television prior to his actual death in 2018. David Soul, an actor from television shows Starsky and Hutch, was remembered as passing away years ago by many people. But as of the publication of this video, he is still alive and well. As stated in an article on howstuffworks.com, which I have left a link into my description, Broom's theory states that at all times there are multiple realities of each universe, and that within each universe there are variations of object, events, and people. So memory of those incorrect shared moments are not really false. They are instances where parallel universes cross paths for an instant. This article also states that human memory is notoriously unreliable, which is more logical explanation. But how does that explain so many people remembering the exact same event with almost identical details? Thousands of people throughout the world have reported this Mandela effect, and this is partially why scientists consider the theory that multi-universes do exist. So what are your thoughts and experiences regarding parallel universe and quantum jumping? Feel free to comment down below. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed watching the video and that you found it insightful. If you did, help the channel with like and subscribe to it. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can watch my upcoming videos without a miss. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.